Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best gardening trowels that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Garden Trowel and Hand Shovel. The heavy-duty, rust-resistant polished aluminum blade is made to withstand the most demanding use. Grab the large, ergonomic handle with rubber palm rest and contoured finger grip and feel how it reduces hands and wrist fatigue while you work. Put your trowel down, no problem. The bright green color is always easy to spot. As with all homegrown gardening tools, your trowel is backed by our friendly customer support staff and comes in its own burlap sack that makes it a great gift for any gardener. Order your homegrown garden tools hand trowel today and soon you'll say the best is always homegrown. Moving on at number 4. Untitled Stainless Steel Folding Shovel. An essential tool for backpacking, camping, and hunting, the compact Untitled Pro Folding Shovel with pouch complies with the leave no trace outdoor ethic. Made of durable stainless steel, the versatile Untitled Pro folds its handle into the blade for compact storage and travel in the included black nylon sheath. The handle folds over for compact size, making it easy to put away when not in use. The blade cuts through the soil with ease and features a locking handle for peace of mind when digging. The large ergonomic handle with rubber palm rest and contoured finger grips reduce hand and wrist fatigue. Ideal solution for gardeners who have difficulty holding tools with small or narrow handles. At number 3. Gardening Gloves with Long Forearm Protection. Belly gloves offer serious thorn protection, cultivated with everyone in mind. With a puncture-resistant, synthetic leather padded palm and reinforced fingertips, this rose glove provides what professional rose gardeners need most: strength, durability and comfort. The elbow-length gauntlet cuff protects forearms from cuts and scratches. A knuckle guard gives added protection from thorny plants. Whimsical printed floral fingertips add extra grip. Form-fitting spandex back for maximum comfort. Women's size medium. In addition to that, Pro version comes with a sheath for added protection while stored. At number 2. Hori Knife. The 7 blade is made with 420 stainless steel and comes very sharper than most Hori knives. It is built to be extra strong, with the knife extending all the way through the knife handle full tang so the knife blade cannot snap off. The handle is secured with 3 rivets for extra strength. The blade is curved for easy digging, and it even includes measurements to help you plant your seedlings and bulbs at the correct depth. Even the sheath is premium quality, with extra thick leather. The truly garden Hori knife comes extra sharp, but we know you'll love it and use it all the time, so you'll need to sharpen it. With a sharpening rod, you can use the pointed end to sharpen between the grooves of the serrated side of the knife. Or, you can use the straight end to sharpen the straight side of the knife. This sharpening rod can be used to sharpen any knife in your kitchen. Say goodbye to that dull bread knife. Now you can make it sharp again. And finally at number 1. Scuddles Gardening Tools Set 8-piece. The gardening tool set comes with beautiful gloves that are included with this set are designed to fit universal. I can tell you that my husband was able to get into the gloves and he has an extra large-sized man's hand. So that could give you some perspective on how the gloves are made and cut. If you can put your hand in, though, the gloves are made from cotton, which is nice and comfortable to work in. Scuddles has come out with a great tool set here. The smooth handles make it quite a bit easier for you to grip the handles of the tools. But you will like the fact the tools will not rust, which makes them easier to use over a long period of time. The carrying bag that is present also helps you not lose any of the tools you have been using in the garden. The perfect product to get for yourself or as a present for the gardening fiend in your life. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If this was helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this product, you can comment down below. I will back to you as soon as I can.